By following Lord Fusor's tab repair standard operating procedure, you will learn to easily fix broken tabs in applications, such as bumper tabs and headlamps. Before we begin, it is important to think safety first. When using seam sealers and adhesives, always wear proper hand and eye protection. The first step in any standard operating procedure is to identify and understand what type of repair you need to perform. If the tab is broken or cracked in any way, it becomes a structural repair. Then proceed with this SOP. The next step is to properly prepare the surface which the adhesive will be applied. First, clean with Fusor 703 and wipe dry. Next, taper the top and bottom of the tab with 80 grit sandpaper and blow clean. Finally, apply Fusor 602 Easy and allow to flash for 10 minutes. Now we will review how to properly apply the adhesive. Select adhesive based on repair size and/or temperature. Fusor 140-141, 132-133, 142-143, 152-153. Refer to Product User Instruction Sheet, Fusor Beadboard, or visit Fusor.com for work times. Next, obtain 700 mesh and cut to size for repair. Separate the mylar backing from the mesh. Fold the mesh over the tab and trim down to size. Cut a piece of mylar backing to size. It can be slightly bigger than the repair. First, level plungers and purge adhesive onto a beadboard. Then attach a mixing tip and dispense adhesive to the length of the mixing tip. Apply selected Fusor adhesive to the mylar backing. Center and lightly apply the mesh over the adhesive and carry over to the repair. Fold 700 mesh with adhesive over broken tab. Leave mylar backing on until adhesive reaches sand time. To finish the repair, grind and contour to match original shape with 36 grit adhesive disc when selected adhesive reaches specified sand time. Next, when selected adhesive reaches specified sand time, sand with 80, 180, 240 grit sandpaper, or per your paint manufacturer recommendation. Next, drill out mounting hole. Finally, prime and paint per paint manufacturer's recommendations. For more information about Fusor adhesives, or if you have questions about our applications, please contact us through our website, customer service center, or social media platforms. To purchase Fusor bumper repair adhesives, contact your local Fusor distributor.